Okay, this video is about the changes that need to be made to the home page. And one of the things here is the logo for the Wealthy Hair. The WH is actually perfect and no issue with that, but the lettering for the Wealthy Hair itself, it needs to be this font, which is CAC Champagne. And you can get it at searchfreefonts.com/free cac-champagne.htm. And I'll send you all the links for these videos we're doing anyways too, so you'll have all the links for everything. But you can get the font free from here, just download it, and but that's the font we need in the logo here underneath it, the Wealthy Hair. And for the shot by color here part, along with the image of the hair itself, we also need to have the actual color number and name, either over the image or underneath it, like this. It's on perfectlocks.com, and so it has like the 1B natural, number 1 jet black, number 4 medium brown. Needs to have that same thing, but it can actually be written over the color itself would be fine. That way they can actually see it larger. So we need those changes made to all the colors too. And for the flash piece up here, this is not the style of flash that we want to be on there. We want it to be more like how it is with, like this is pecsupply.com. How it just, if you don't click on anything, it just automatically scrolls through like it's doing now. And it has some wording over here. But actually, we want this flip-flopped. We actually want the wording on this tab, or on this part of the flash, not on the right. Not on the right. We want the left side. And then if they click on one of them, then it takes them right there, and it just will stay there. It doesn't actually keep moving after they've selected one. That way, if we, and they'll have links on there, and some of them will have multiple links. Like this one, obviously the whole image is a link, but that way we can do different things with these too. And I think they make a plugin for that or something, because this is a Magento site here, and it's got something similar to this, like that. And then these are all different links. But we like the cleaner look of this one though, except for having the wording again on the left hand side instead of the right side for the changes. And another thing it's not looking correct either is how these buttons are. I'm sure you guys are probably working on this part, but and then also how the wording here, shot by color, and the shot by size and shot by style. And I need an extension 4. It's missing the gray area around it, like how you sent us on the image on the design that we've agreed on here, where it shows the shot by size and color, but you can see the gray shadow box or outline over it, like right here and here, going around each one of these. And similar thing here too. And on the shot by color and size and style, we need it to be how it is like on envelopes.com, because right now if you click on any of these, obviously we sell multiple products. We have the wigs, extensions, and hair pieces, and so on. And so instead of having them click on this and it just takes them to everything, we want it to be like how it was on envelopes.com here. They click on say if this was the shop by style, like here they click on straight, wavy, or curly. So say if this was shop by style straight, and then they click on this box here, and then it'll have the full lace wigs, synthetic lace wigs, hair extensions, and so on. All of our main categories. Like here, like weaving and weft hair, bulk hair, clip-on hair extensions. Well, I guess fusion hair extensions, clip-on hair extensions, clip-on ponytails, skin wefts, clip-on bangs, full lace wigs, lace front wigs, synthetic lace front wigs, and so on. So that's what would have, that's what this would be here. So if they click that way, if they click on this, it's going to show, only just all the straight wigs, or just all the straight extensions when they go to the category pages. That way, it's like narrowed down for them already. And that's that's if they click on any of the shop by color, shop by size, shop by style. It needs to have that box that opens like this. And also for the shop by size, it wouldn't be small; it'd be short. So be short hair. So it'd be short instead of the word small there. Okay, and the last thing here is instead of having to say I need a wig or hair extensions for, or volume length, whatever, we're actually going to change this because it's not. Otherwise, it's going to be too confusing for them to try to. We have to create make believe things here to products that we don't really have. So it would be better and more efficient and more user friendly for a customer too, is to actually have it where it says find your hair fast and easy. So say find your hair fast and easy here, and it's going to be like how it is, except for it's going to go like on shoes.com, where it's going to have the main category, which will be like the same as our main categories. Like the first one will be choose your hair type, which would be and when I click on that, it'll have a drop down that'll say full lace wigs, lace front wigs, synthetic lace front wigs, weaving and weft hair, bulk hair, all these again. And this one's gonna be mandatory, if they use this option to search. So they click on that, they have to choose one of those selections. Obviously, that way, it goes to the correct category page. And then all the other ones can be not mandatory for them to click on. But if they want to click on it, obviously you can allow them to sort it by color, and then length and style. And that the colors is for the colors, drop down, and then the length, how long they want it, and then the style, and it'll have a drop down with the style, and then it'll say, then you have a button over here that says find it fast, or find it fast now, or something like that. That'll then take them to the category page with those narrow down selections already made. So again, like how shoes.com is, say they clicked on whatever their categories are, and then now you can go to it and do it, or they can narrow it down more here still by size and color. And then go and take you to their category page. with those selections already narrowed down. You see on there, I selected the black and then the size 8, and obviously I'm in their women's athletic. But for us, it'd be like if they selected, say, full lace wigs, it'd say full lace wigs, and then on our category page, it'll show the selections they already made. So if they select the length, if they didn't select the length, it'll just be like this, where it shows all the lengths and all the colors and all the styles. If they did select this, say 12 inches, and whatever style they selected, and the color, and when they go to this page, it'll already show them the selections they made, in these boxes here. And that's something that actually needs to be fixed on this page too. Once they select something, it needs to stay showing what they selected when it goes when it narrows it down, because when you select it just goes back to select your length instead of showing like I hit 12 inches there, and it's not staying on. It's not showing that 12 inches was selected. It's narrowing it down correctly, but it's just not showing that in the box. So that's kind of confusing too. Maybe they might not remember what they hit, what they selected. But anyway, that's it for this video.